Welcome. Full body movement session today. We got Coach Stokes with us. We're going to use our bands for a little bit of resistance. If you don't have bands, no worries, just follow along. Let's get started with a simple warm up. Just overhead with the bands. And again, this move works perfectly well without bands. We just want to add a little resistance. We're going to build some upper body strength today, as well as lower body. 2 exercises. We're going to do 3 rounds of. Simple, not necessarily easy. We got Stokes here today, so we'll have some variations. I'm working from a seated position. I'm lacking mobility a little bit. This is best for me. Again, you do what works best for you. Follow along. Let's just twist a bit here. Stretch it out a little bit. Get those arms up nice and high. Sink a little deeper into the twist as you go. Ooh, we'll sink up there. Nice. Oh. Ah. Okay. Keep your arms overhead. We're just going to the side. As you can see, you can do these just on your own. What the bands are great for, I love them as a prompt in the morning. They're always at the end of my bed. Just another way, oh yeah, I should move my body a little bit. Any one of these exercises you can do anytime throughout your day. As we keep saying, micro movements, movement snacks, whatever we're calling them, move for 30 seconds, 1 minute. And the bands are great for that. Just a little bit of a trigger. Oh yeah, I can just stretch a little bit. I can add some resistance. Beautiful. Okay, bands are coming around my back. Now, I just want to press a few times because our next movement is going to be push-ups. I'm going to do them from an elevated position, using the bands just to add that extra resistance to build a little bit more muscle, a little more strength. But just simple body weight push-ups are amazing. You can do them on the wall. I'm going to do them elevated. Stokes is going to do the more difficult version. Yes, you are. All right, let's go. So I'm wrapping them around. Elevated, back of a chair, back of your couch, countertop, while you're brewing your coffee, anything, anytime. Try to keep a flat back. You're not going to count the number. Stokes is going right to the floor. If you get to the floor, brilliant. And with the bands, just adds that extra element of resistance. Let's go. Push-ups from the knees are amazing. Just progression. Again, meet me where you're at. And it's perfect. If you get tired, by all means, just hold the plank. This is wonderful. Isometric exercise, you can just hold it here. All right, let's go right into the next exercise. We're just going push-ups, squats. 2 simple, amazing exercises. I'm doing a sit to stand. I'm just keeping my bands over my here now. Just simply from a chair, from your couch, sit to stand. Stokes has got another version. Definitely more challenging, but sit to stand. We're going to be sitting in chairs and getting up well into our hundreds. This is a wonderful exercise, building core stability, leg strength, mobility. Couple more. Excellent. Right back into the push-ups. No rest. Come on. That's why it's great to go lower body, upper body. The upper body was just resting. Here we go. Just do your best. And if you do need a break, pause us. Just come back when you're ready. Great time to connect to your breath. Just bring all your presence, all your awareness into each and every push-up. 1 more. Yes. Ready? Here we go. Sit to stand. Stand tall. Shoulders back. Real integrity. We're going to push ourselves a little bit. Couple more. Here we go. It's our last round. One more set of push-ups, one more set of squats. We'll do one cool down exercise, and that's it for today. I know you're gonna move lots more throughout your day. Last movement for this session. Ready? Do your best. I think I can. No toxic thoughts. Just watch that mind. Nope, I can do this. Let's go. We bang out 10. Yes, right into our squats. Come on. We got this, we got this. He's got the super band too, it's even harder. yeah, I look good. Ready, let's go. 10 again. I'll count, you just focus on your breathing. Do your very best. 10. Yes, come on. How good is that? Oh, okay. I'm going to take a seat. I often use these as a meditation prompt as well. There's so many great uses for them. But around my neck here, I find just to be like this. So let's do that all together. Let's just take a moment. Just take in everything we've just done. Just notice how you feel. Connect to your breath. Notice when you connect to your breath how much more quickly you recover. One breath can make all the difference. Let's just be for a moment. Welcome to close your eyes. Notice the beating of your heart. Give yourself a pat on the back. Don't forget to smile. We moved our bodies. I feel like I could keep doing that all day. The meditation part, not the movement part. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you to Coach Stokes. There's a link in the description if you want to get a discount on these amazing bands. They truly are incredible. Use them every day. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Goodbye.